No design is difficult once you understand the pattern, once it showed to you how it happened. Welcome to NeedleMeister. In our discussion for today, I'm gonna show to you how to deal with fabrics with stripe lines to form this kind of design. It is very important you don't skip any part of this video, for I'm going to be releasing vital informations that will help you in using this stripe line to form another kind of design in the future. First, let's cut along the diagonal. There is no rule to this. Remember, I just marked the wrong side of the fabric. It's important you do that too. This is the wrong side of this material, you see. Now with the right side of this one facing the big one on the table, I'm going to make sure the stripe line on this small one aligns with the big one. You see here, it doesn't align. It doesn't align here. Neither does it here. Look at it. It's not aligning. But come to think of it here, it seems something is about to happen. See. Yes, we've got the dimension. Let's do it again, this time in slow-mo. This is the dimension. Now that we have got the angle or the dimension that agree with the first diagonal piece that we cut, the first bias, we are going to cut this out, leaving some excess at the side. This excess is very important. I'm going to show you its importance on the table, sorry, on the machine. Your fingers got a lot of work to do here, as you are going to be stitching through this very stretchy material. You have to be ensuring that this straight line on the upper and the lower materials still align by holding the lines down together with your fingers. This is the importance of the excess. Imagine me cutting out the second piece exactly the same size of this. How are we going to see when those lines already missed each other? It will be impossible. Remember, both are now biased material, that is, they are very stretchy because they were cut along the diagonal of the fabric. Now see what we have here. Sometimes this may be the requirement. Wait for me here while I go press open the same. Now we are done with stage 1. The stage 2 is to divide this material into halves like this and cut. But wait a minute, it's important I show you what it looked like behind. This is the pattern formed when pressed opened. So all you just have to do after dividing it is to turn the heads against each other like this. This is the head. You turn the head against each other and sew. From this side, anywhere you see the V pattern, you should know that the center of the V is the edge of the arrow design from there. Now we are going to put the heads together. Come see it from the other side. After struggling to put the head together, now I notice that we can't even sew it yet because we need the same excess we used to fix the stage 1. We need that excess. So in order for that to happen, I'm going to bring this top one down. We need the excess at the sides also. So just like we did the stage 1, we're gonna be ensuring that the lines perfectly aligned throughout our stitch. That is the essence of the excess. Now see what we have here. All you just have to ensure when doing this kind of design is to make sure that those lines perfectly aligned. Please, let's go to the table. The next thing we are going to do is to mark the midpoint of every side of our interfacing. The midpoint here, the midpoint here, and the sides. All of the notches will rest on the same lines. First, set the center of the interfacing to the center of the pattern like this. Then arrange other sides with your fingers. Even look at the beautiful pattern formed under the interfacing. Did you see that? If you see it, tell me in the comment section. There's a beautiful pattern here. I'm going to overlock this side. And this is gum. So the pattern is as simple as this. If this video added value to you, please give me thumbs up, appreciate me in the comment box, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Thanks so much for watching. See you again in our next video.